Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. For today's vlog, as you can see, we having a gender reveal party. Okay, this is the guest. Say hi to the vlog. Hi. What's your name?
Jason.
Oh, Jason, yan yung ano, yun yung artista sa Canada. Okay? Si Cesar Montano ng Canada. Okay? On the right.
Ay, Enrico po.
Any shoutout po? Wala ka pong shoutout sa Pilipinas?
Shoutout sa mga nangungutang dyan.
And then, yun. Another guest. Say hi to the vlog.
Hi po. Hi po, Liza po.
Ayan po yung sponsor.
Liza po.
Okay? Right here. Ito yung pinakamatindi sa Canada. Yan. Nakikita nyo.
Andrew A.
Katatalo lang po niya sa election ngayong May. Mabot po siya ng mayor dito sa Hamilton. Natalo. Okay, right there. Say hi to the vlog.
Lasinggera po ng Canada at Dubai.
Yan, yan ang sponsor ng gin.
Gin, tsaka Alfonso.
Model ng gin.
Wala na, ubos ko na po.
Mayroong Alfonso galing sa Pilipinas. And then, JNB.
John, Let's go.
Okay? Okay guys, I'm gonna end this short vlog. Thank you for watching on my YouTube channel. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, comment down below, and hit the bell. Until next time, bye now.